how to log in into your Google Flights account. First, you want to go to your preferred browser. I'm using Safari on my iPhone. However, you can use your if you are on Android, you can use any preferred browser. And on the search bar, you want to type in Google Flights and click on search. Here you want to scroll down until you see the official Google Flights website, and to log in into your account, you can simply click on this profile icon over here. Simply tap on it and it will show you that you are already logged in, through your browser. However, if you want to sign out of your account and sign in through a different account, you can simply click on sign out from here. Accounts on your device to continue with your website. Use security key, click on continue again, and by confirming your identity over here, you'll be able to log in into your website. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.